It's a time for a package from China with a little bit of brain farting. Welcome people to a new review, and today we're going to talk about this GBA collection of NES Classics, or in other words the 150 in 1 NES Classic edition for the GBA. Okay, what did we get? We got just a cartridge. There are two versions. There is an, let's try it. Do you call it crystal? Yeah, crystal version in the color red if I'm correct. And this one is just, a black cartridge. A little bit of a shame that he didn't do a very great job with, with the label. But okay. This one also got a Nintendo decal at the back. And it feels really like a quality card. So let's stick it in the GBA and let's see what happens. And I'm so curious what we're going to get. Oh, that is really cool. And at the background, the game is already starting. And that's the question, what kind of games are on this system? A lot of great games. Even the Zelda games. That is nice. Metroid. The Turtle games. I must say I have seen and played some NES multi-game cards, but this one is awesome. What is cool, when you're pressing start button it just go on. It just don't have a pause of reset, now it just plays the game. And if you've seen some of my videos, you know I'm always playing this game. Most of them on portable systems, the China clone handhelds. Sorry people, I need to play this game. And I still suck at it. Come on! I was looking into the camera, wait. This works better. No. Nope. I'm getting the hang of it. No. He's running away! Oh, that was lame ass. Oh yeah, this game was a child, man, I really love it. I'm gonna lick it. Whoa. There's a food or somewhere here. Ooh. So people, for the final conclusion, what did I think of the 151 in 1 multi-game card? It is an amazing collection of video games. All the old great NES games, Castlevania, Legend of Zelda, they are all here, and I'm so pleased to have this one. I'm not keeping all of the multi-game cards of the reviews in my collection because I can't play one game at a time. But still, this one is going to be a keeper. I really love it. I have some old NES collection. I think they are from 2000, but they got a few good games. But this one got them all. So if you love the NES collection and on the go, this is the collection you need to have. So people, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Stay strong, stay positive, and stay wicked. And I'm going to play some more games.